How to turn on floating icon on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn on floating icon on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. A floating icon on Android is a small movable button or widget that hovers over the screen. It allows quick access to certain features or apps without navigating away from the current screen. Common example includes the chat haze and messaging apps like Facebook Messenger or Assistive touch features for quick settings or shortcuts. To turn on, go to Settings on your Android device, tap Additional Settings, and then tap Accessibility. After that, you have to select Accessibility button, and then under Location, you have to select Flotation or the floating button instead of navigation bar. After that, you can easily choose the size of the floating button in this way, and if you wish to fade when not in use, you can toggle the button off or turn it on, and you can also choose the transparency when not in use. You can easily use the sliders for transparency, and here you can see the floating icon has already appeared on your Android device. So that is how we turn on floating icon on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.